Established in 2010, Shenghai Aluminium is an enterprise integrating the designing, manufacturing, processing of aluminium profiles. Our factory is located in Foshan City, the hometown of aluminium in China, and covering 23,000 square meters. All our products are produced in accordance with international quality standards, exported to overseas, such as Europe, Africa, Middle East, Southeast Asia, South America and other countries, and greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. Now we have 6 efficient production lines and over 100 employees. An annual production capacity reaches more than 20,000 tons. Our company specializes in the production of aluminium profile for windows and doors, tile trim, LED strip, tubes, frames for cabinets etc., which are widely used in construction, furniture, decoration and industry. In addition, we can also customize various aluminium profiles according to customers' demand.